Hello everyone, welcome to AB Media. If it's your first time coming to your sister, click that red button. My old subscriber, you guys are welcome. My new, you're welcome. So today I bring what is happening right now in Enugu and Aboni State, Abakaliki, everything that is happening right now there. My sister, my brother that is watching the video. Right now, EFCC arrested over 50 people in Aboni State right now. Yahoo boys. They say they are Yahoo boys. They arrested Yahoo boys, almost 50 people. So we have to be. What I'm saying is that everybody let them not arrest the innocent people, because sometimes they will be arresting and they will go and arrest innocent people that is not doing Yahoo, because they see you treat well, because they see you dress well, because they see you're dressing well, they will say the person is a Yahoo. But not everybody is Yahoo. Some people are dressing well. Everybody is not a Yahoo. You understand? Some people are, they are dressed well, they are dressing neat. It don't mean that they are Yahoo. Before you say that someone is Yahoo, you have to check the phone and check the laptop if this one is doing this. And this thing that is happening, let them arrest let them not arrest the innocent people, because a lot of innocent people, when they dress, our people will say they are the people that they are arresting. So my people, I was like, the way they are arresting people, let them arrest the ones they want to arrest, not the innocent ones, or somebody that dress very well. They will say the person is a Yahoo. Is it must everybody will be a Yahoo? It's not everybody is Yahoo. So you can dress and dress well, but as they hot right now, they are arresting people in Enugu and Aboni State. If you don't know Aboni State, Abakaliki, they are arresting people, a lot of people there right now. Say Yahoo boys, almost 50 people in Enugu and Aboni State, they are arrested. So my people, what I want to say about this, our EFCC are doing their job, which is very right. But I want to say something about this. What is happening in Nigeria is that, number one, EFCC, you have to arrest our government and arrest our governors, because the things they do, they don't have create a job for the youth. They don't care to create a job for the youth. Many youths they finish the school, graduate from school, they don't have a job. There's no job. When I went to Nigeria last time, I come back to Nigeria, I enter one bike. When I enter the bike, the man is a very graduate. The way the man speak is a very, very graduate. He finished school, but there's no job. When you see this guy is like old person, but he's a young guy, because of the way he's walking, shuffling up and down, driving his bike, going up and down, everything stress. The guy gets old overnight. I was like, what is this? So our leaders, EFCC, have to arrest our leaders, because a lot of people, they don't have job. If you are a woman looking for a job, the person that have the office will tell you that he will go down with you first before he can give you a job, which is, I don't know why this kind of thing is happening in that same Zoom country like Nigeria. You call Nigeria, everything is happening there very, very wrong. The way they do things, they don't care about people. Then just when they are there, when they say vote, when you vote for them, they be on top there. When they will then be on top, they will change overnight. They will start giving their character. It's good to arrest Yahoo boys, fine, but let our president create a job for people. People are so much hungry. There's no food to eat. There's nothing to do. No food to eat. A lot of people are suffering. A lot of people are suffering. They don't have food. They don't have a job. So let's create a job for them, so they can try and remove hand for these Yahoo things they do. Over 50 people EFCC have arrested in Enugu and Aboni State right now. Say they are Yahoo boys. And sometimes, not until you EFCC, the mistake they used to do sometimes, they will see somebody that dressed well, they will tell you is Yahoo. They don't care. Because when I went to Nigeria, I have seen someone that dressed, because the guy have his own car, good car. And they say, this guy, Yahoo, you're Yahoo. The guy said that I'm not a Yahoo. Check me. I'm not saying Yahoo. And later they will not find out the guy is not Yahoo, but they are calling him in Yahoo. Bring your phone, the man bring his phone. Show them. He said, I'm not Yahoo. So it's not everybody that dress well is Yahoo. Some people they do their work, but they like to be neat. But Nigerian EFCC, they will see you when you are neat and dress good. They will tell you are a Yahoo, and which is very, very wrong. Do your job very well and stop. When you see someone that dress well, you say that everybody's Yahoo. It's not everybody's Yahoo. Check the person and check his telephone and check his laptop. If the person, if you see something in your head, that one before you arrest that person. But don't arrest the wrong people, because there are people that they are not Yahoo. They don't do Yahoo. They are okay, normal. There are people, they are normal. They are doing job. And Nigerian government, you have to create a job for your youth. How can you be a leader? You don't create a job for your youth. There's no job for them. There's no money. There's nothing for them. You have to create a job for your people that you score, that you're serving, and people that vote you there, people that vote you in that country. Because when you people are looking for we need vote, and you people come out and vote for you, when you enter inside the seat, you change like a lion. You will not do your job very well. And when you need the vote, you'll be promised heaven and earth. Promise people that you will do this, you will do that. When people put you there, you will start showing them, you will use them as an example. And the people that vote you in, create a job for the youth. And the EFCC, you have to know that you have to arrest all these our governors and our presidents. Ask them some question. It's not about to arrest individuals, tell people, but you have to arrest too our governors, presidents. Make sure you arrest them. I told you people, arrest them too. The way this country that they call Zoom Nigeria is going is so bad. I'm telling the truth, so bad. The way the country is going very, very wrong. I'm telling you guys truth. Bad leaders, bad governors. Even though you give the governors, the president give the governor money to even do the roads for his state, they will still put the money in their pocket, go and use red sand, pour for the place and spoil even the road. They will not do the road. So I don't know. All those things, you people, EFCC, have to ask them question. Then give them money to do the road. Let them do the road. Look at all the whole road is very finished. The road is not going well. You are there arresting Yahoo boys. Fine, arrest them. Yahoo boys, find work, find something doing. Stop doing Yahoo. Yahoo, there is not there. Nothing is there. Because anything you do, you will still come back to you. So make sure you are looking for your money in a genuine way. Stop eating people's money. It's not that you go and be doing Yahoo. Find work.